Comrades, this is the most successful shutdown ever in the history of struggle in South Africa. Today, on my way here, they said they are cancelling load shedding for today because there is no demand of electricity today because the factories are closed.
Yes.
The consumers of electricity, the biggest consumers of electricity are closed.
Yes.
And that's why scientifically you should measure the success of this shutdown. Today, there is no big mall, there is no small mall, no shop, no factory, no school, no nothing is open today. All of them are closed. What makes matters worse, in Richards Bay, there is no single truck that was seen. There is no single train that was seen. Today, South Africa is shut down.